How to fix Shadowban on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually fix if Instagram has shadowbanned your account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you have to understand what shadowban means. Shadowban only means on Instagram that, let's say you're using any type of social media and all of a sudden it just simply stops recommending your account to others. It is not helping you reach more audiences, it's not helping you actually increase followers and so on, and that simply means Instagram has shadowbanned your account. Some people do say that shadowban exists while others deny it, that shadowban do not exist. It is only the issue with the account. But anyway, if you actually are not getting any type of profile feeds, likes, recommendations and so on, I would always recommend you to follow some of the steps which I describe in this video. The very first thing to check is whether or not you have a public profile. So even if you have a public profile, I would always recommend you to switch to business or professional account, because that would give you more access to your followers' insights and your audience's insights as well. So you will always make sure to actually switch it to public or professional account, and because most likely that will fix the issue. Aside from that, however, if you're not being able to actually get some likes on your post and so on, I would always also recommend you to simply use some of the hashtags. For example, you can see all of the popular posts as well, they simply use hashtags on their captions. So I would always recommend you to use some effective hashtags. If you have time, also try to make some exciting and engaging reels. From the Reels tab right over here, you can tap on the plus icon over here, you could go to Reel and you could basically go ahead and record a very engaging reel. In this particular case, to engage more audience and engage more followers and so on. And most likely, if this answered your question, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.